and learn with Jolene. Hi there guys, my name is called Woody. Hi. And over here is Jessie. Hi there, nice to meet you. And over here is Buzz Lightyear. Oh, hello. I can't wait to play with you. And we have a new friend. It is Forky!
Yay!
And he is a new character from Toy Story 4. So today I want to share with you how to make Forky, because it's fun, it's easy, and also the materials you need you can find around your house. So let's get started! But before that, don't forget to subscribe down below cause it's free, so click it, click it, click it! So the things you need to use to make Forky are a spork. You can use this, or you can use a spoon. Then you'll just cut the edge like that. You will need to have some wool. This is for the hair, red one. You will also need to have some blue wool for the mouth, so you can just shape it around to make a mouth. Or you can use a rubber band to do it, blue one. You will need to have some googly eyes, a popsicle stick like this, and notice you will need to draw a rainbow on one of them. You will need to have some glue, a pipe cleaner for its arms, and also a highlighter, which is optional to make Forky blush. So now let's make him! So the first step is we're going to do the hair. So we're just going to glue it over here, and then you're going to stick the wool on. Like this. I've already glued this, put glue on here, so I'm going to stick it on. There, done that. Now we're going to do the eyes over here. We're going to stick one over here, and then the other one over here. Now we've already sticked on the eyes, we are going to do the mouth. So we're going to use this wool over here, and then we're going to stick it on like this with glue. Now we have sticked on Forky's mouth over here. To finish off the face, we're going to use a pink highlighter or texture to put on some blush on Forky. There's one side, the other side. There. Now can you kind of see that he's blushing? And after that, we are going to do the hands with the pipe cleaner. So I'm going to put this aside, and then I'm going to do my hands. So first we are going to do like this. It's an upside down L. Then we're going to fold it like that. Then we're going to push it up, so it kind of looks like an N. Then these two, you squash them together. And then you make it into like a W. And then you squash these together. And then you put it together like it's a hand. See? Now let's do it on the other side. Same steps. Fold it like this, so it's like an L. Then squash them together. Make an N. Squash these two together. Make a W. Then squash these two together. And then this thing, we're going to try to make it to like a hand. There's my other hand. Now on Forky, we gotta put it on. Hi there, how are you? Ta-da! We've done Forky's arms. Now for Forky, we're going to do his legs now. The Play-Doh comes in handy now. So the Play-Doh, you're going to put Forky inside. He's going to put it in that and just make the stick together. There, so it can stand up. Now we're going to use the paddle pop sticks. One of them has a rainbow. And here's another one. You're going to put them under and stick them together. There you go, we've done Forky's legs. And now Forky is finished. And this is my own creation of my girl Forky. I called her Forkya. And also, if you don't have googly eyes like Forky over here, you can draw them like Forkya. And also, when you're making girl versions, you can use some like wool to make braids in your hair. Or you can make some like hair, so it looks beautiful. Like this. Hi there! You wanna go outside? Yes, of course! But where are we gonna go? Let's go to the park. Okay, let's go there. Come on, let's go. Oh, guys! We have to go now. Bye. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below and like down below. And also, don't forget to press the notification button, which is a tiny bell. Bye. Bye there. Come on, let's go.